Hello everyone! Today my sister-in-law, Sabeerata, will be teaching us the Malabar Mutton Dum Biryani cooked in traditional way. As you can see, this is a traditional cooking stove here in Kerala, wherein we use the wood fire or the coconut wood branches. And if you use this wood fire stove, the biryani is very tasty and delicious. And we already prepared all the ingredients for the cooking biryani, like tomato, onion, lemon, chili. Now that the pan is hot, my sister-in-law is opening the ghee. Ghee is a type of oil, or you call it lard in Philippines. So she's putting now in the pan, big pot. So let's wait for it to get hot again. Now that the ghee oil is hot, so she's putting some portion of onion to use it as a topping.
You are making here Malabar Dum Biryani.
Or garnishing in the biryani. So she will cook first this first batch of onion. Now that the onion is cooked and brown in color, so she's removing it and putting it in a plate. This will be the garnish for the biryani, or the toppings for the biryani. Next is she will fry the cashew nuts and sultanas, or sultanas is the dried green grapes. So she's putting a lot of this for 6 kg of mutton biryani. So you have to fry this one and make it golden brown. So once the cashew is also brown in color, so we have to set aside also, along with the onion. So we have to put it in the same plate as the onion. This will be anyway garnishing for the biryani. We have to fry the remaining batch of the onion, this is like the 3 kg of onion. So now this will take a bit long time to cook because this too many onions. So she's now started stirring the onions. Next is to put the whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. So while waiting for the onion to cook, we also gonna boil the rice. So now this is the rice that has been boiled. We put the 5 kg rice here along with the ghee oil, with cumin, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. So This is like cooking ghee rice also. Now the rice is like 50% cooked only. It shouldn't be fully cooked because we will have to put it in on top of the biryani. So now they're removing it from the pan and trying to remove the remaining water and put a strainer. They're putting it in the strainer. Now after the onions being cooked, we also put the tomato and let it cook also. And now she's putting the turmeric powder.
Garam masala, biryani masala. Not garam masala, biryani.
Biryani masala is also different?
Yes.
Are you making this or are you buying?
We will make. We make. We made it. Adin is not no. What are you doing? Pepper powder.
Have to keep on stirring it because to incorporate all the spices in the onion, tomato, and chili. Next is to put the mutton meat onto the masala. Mutton dum biryani. One full.
Yeah. Mix it well and wait for cook. After 15 minutes, we have to check and stir well the masala so that the masala will not stick in the pan. So we can just keep on stirring it. Next to add is the lemon juice. So this will be give an additional taste and aroma in the mutton.
So it's the same procedure as chicken biryani sa Sabeerata?
Chicken biryani don't need pepper.
You don't need pepper. Only in mutton. Why?
Only biryani masala and turmeric powder.
So that's the difference.
After a few minutes, we have to check again the mutton. Again, keep on stirring. This is the secret of cooking the biryani. You keep on stirring well so that the ingredients will be, incorporated with the mutton itself. Now we'll just let it boil and let it open so that the water from the mutton will be reduced. See the rice which is 50% cooked. We're straining it. Now see the water has been reduced from the curd. We add the curd. Then we putting podina.
Mint leaves.
Mint leaf. Or and coriander leaves. അങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ട് Okay, we putting little bit biryani masala. തിളക്കുമ്പോഴേ ഇടാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. Okay, we add the rice. This is 6 kg rice. Isn't it too much? Oh my god. Looks heavy.
Now
6 kg. Oil.
sunflower oil.
നെയ്യ് ഒരു കാര്യം മറന്നില്ലേ, പൈനാപ്പിൾ എസൻസ് ഉണ്ടോ അവിടെ? ആണ്.
Sunflower oil.
സൺഫ്ലവർ ഓയിൽ.
Biryani essence അല്ലേ?
അതന്നെ. Okay.
Next is
Adding it half kg.
okay,
Pure ghee.
Pure ghee. On top.
അത് വെച്ച we are putting 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon pineapple essence.
Yellow. So add this. More taste. Pineapple essence. And on top, this is the one we sauteed.
എടി യെല്ലോ കളർ വേണം ചോറിന്. അതത്ര സുഖമില്ല കേട്ടാ.
The onion,
യെല്ലോ കളർ വേണ്ട, കറിയിട്ട് യെല്ലോ തന്നെ മതി.
the onion, cashew and sultanas.
യെസ്.
So you have to put it on top.
തോന്നിടാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. ഓക്കെ.
Okay, when you have to cover it,
ഓക്കെ.
then we cover. And we have to put the different fire on top. That is what we call the dum biryani. And inside mutton dum biryani.
It's a Malabar Dum Biryani.
It's the Malabar style.
Malabar style.
Kerala is different from Malabar or is the same? Malabar is Malappuram style.
Malappuram.
Of,
Malappuram, Taliseri, Kannur, Kozhikode.
yeah, all this Malabar. All the northern part of Kerala. Bas, finish. How long it will take?
Just half an hour.
Half an hour so that the rice will not cook. That's it, folks. That is the dum biryani. Later on, I will show you the finished product.
Malabar Mutton Dum Biryani, cooked in traditional way, is ready. Serve it with raita, pickles, and papads.
Sorry ass DJ.